In this video of Back to Basics, we will be going over some of the many ways to use muscle memory strategies to your advantage. Muscle memory is the ability to do a particular movement without consciously thinking about it. Now, let's see how we can use this to your benefit with some techniques to use in and out of school. One method of muscle memory is repetition. While using this technique, there are three main things to remember: write it, speak it, and repeat it. Whether a formula or fact, get the information down so you can recall and rewrite the information later. In order to remember something, say it over and over again. Speak it out loud until it gets stuck in your head. Not all of us are blessed with legible handwriting, so ask your teacher if you can record the lecture. Then later re-listen to the lecture and take some time to jot down some readable notes. Muscle memory is not only for school. Tons of other activities use it too. For sports, practice plus hard work equals improvement. Some with theater, music, and many other activities. Now, what was I talking about? If you don't remember or just weren't paying any attention, this video focused on muscle memory, with key points being practice and repetition.